Welcome back to the ItsyBitsyBuild YouTube channel. I've completely transformed this miniature kit into a black, grey and gold colour scheme. I'll walk you through my techniques in this video. Started with the lamps in the house. I used this black and gold paper for the lampshades. Cutting out the template from the original kit and putting it all together. The couch fabric in the original kit was a white textured fabric, and I changed it to this striking grey linen fabric, cutting from the fabric using the couch template, and then gluing the couch pieces together. Next was this cute towel holder. I made the towels from felt and picked a gradient fade from black to grey. And then I used white felt for the towels at the top. The bedside table came in this bright orange colour, which really didn't suit my colour scheme, so I painted the pieces black. Then I put some white wire for the handles to match the top piece. Now for the bed. I used white fabric for the baseboard and the grey couch fabric for the blankets and the pillows. This was the original fabric for the bed, and this is what my design looks like. Some tiny slippers! I kept the original from the kit here. The kitchen bench was next, and the instructions said to do the bench tops in silver. Instead, I used this marble textured vinyl, measuring and sticking the vinyl to the wood. I think you'll agree, it looks so much better. I made the piano according to the instructions provided with the kit. The pieces are completely transparent, and it came with this flashing coloured light inside. I'll pop a link to my wallpaper Cricut tutorial video in the description below. This video explains exactly how to modify a miniature room wallpaper using your Cricut machine. I made a bedroom feature wall. I used a honeycomb pattern from the preloaded images in Cricut Design Space. To cover the entire bedroom wall, I placed sections of the honeycomb pattern together and joined the pieces with the weld feature. I then overlaid the honeycomb across my bedroom wall and clicked Slice. The slice function cuts through the honeycomb so it fits perfectly on the wall shape, as you can see here. So now I've got my mats prepared. I'm using print and cut, and then I'm also cutting pieces from vinyl and cardstock. I print my walls first, and Cricut places a black box around the printed page. Then the Cricut will shine a light to detect the exact cut location. I cut out the walls using textured grey cardstock. And the feature wall honeycomb from gold metallic vinyl. I weeded my honeycomb feature wall . And then I stuck it down onto the bedroom wall cardstock. It really stands out. Because I've measured everything precisely beforehand, all the wall pieces fit perfectly. Then I glue all my pieces to the original kit baseboards and walls. I used this beautiful grey wood flooring design instead of the wood pattern provided in the kit. Now let's put it all together. What a dramatic transformation! Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. We've almost reached 200 subscribers.